What if you could effortlessly grow your wealth simply by rounding up your everyday purchases? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's essentially the premise behind Raiz, a micro-investing app that's captured the attention of countless individuals looking to dip their toes into the world of investing. But the burning question remains, how much can you really earn from Raiz? Is it a quick path to riches, or a slow and steady climb? Let's cut through the noise and get straight to the heart of it. Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and it doesn't promise overnight millions. Instead, it's designed for consistent, long-term growth through the power of compounding and regular, small contributions. Think of it as a financial marathon, not a sprint. So, what does earning potential look like? It largely depends on a few key factors: your investment amount, your chosen portfolio, and how consistently you contribute. Raiz offers a range of diversified portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, each with different risk levels and potential returns. Historically, more aggressive portfolios tend to have higher potential returns, but also come with higher risk. It's crucial to understand that past performance is not an indicator of future returns, and all investments carry inherent risks. However, Raiz does provide some compelling evidence of its impact. Australian millennials and Gen Z users have collectively saved billions through the app, demonstrating the power of consistent micro-investing. Raiz itself has reported significant figures like $1.4 billion in funds under management, FUM, and over $130 million in dividends reinvested back into customer accounts. This shows that the platform is indeed helping users accumulate significant wealth over time. Beyond just investment returns, Raiz offers additional avenues to boost your earnings. Their roundups feature automatically invests your spare change from purchases, making saving almost unnoticeable. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50, and the extra 50 cents automatically gets invested. Over time, these small amounts can really add up. Then there's Raiz Rewards, a loyalty program that gives you a percentage of your online and in-store purchases back as investments into your Raiz account. This means you're literally earning money while you spend at participating retailers, further accelerating your investment growth. Some users have even earned over $1,000 just from completing surveys within the Raiz app. These aren't huge sums individually, but when combined with your regular investments and compounding, they contribute to a healthier portfolio. It's important to be realistic. While some users share inspiring stories of significant growth, your personal earnings will vary. Fees also play a role. Raiz charges a monthly subscription fee, which can impact smaller accounts more significantly. For example, a monthly fee might represent a larger percentage of a $100 account compared to a $15,000 account. It's essential to factor these fees into your long-term calculations. Ultimately, Raiz earning potential lies in its ability to make investing accessible and effortless. By automating small, regular contributions and offering additional ways to earn, it helps cultivate good financial habits that can lead to substantial long-term wealth accumulation. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it can certainly set you on a path to a more financially secure future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.